So you've been told that the best time to list your property is in the spring. That is true because the majority of buyers are out and ready and looking, and springtime brings people thinking about summer, which makes them motivated to buy. However, that doesn't mean that you can't get started on getting your property ready for sale right now. So this is a perfect time to start talking about value, start interviewing with brokers, and getting your property prepared for that sale. That means cleaning, it means painting, it means just doing the prep work that is recommended by that local trusted professional to get your home on the market. So yes, spring is a great time to list, but that doesn't mean that you can't get started right now.